Chapter 4. Introduction to HTML. Introduction. Internet is the network of computer networks that connects millions of computers around the globe. The individual computers are connected to some powerful computers called servers. These servers stores files and information in the form of website. These files can be accessed by different users anywhere from the world using internet connection. Websites. Websites contain different pages called web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The word hypertext was first coined by Ted Nelson in 1960s. Markup language is a technique to write documents describing the general structure of the contents inside the documents and not its actual appearance on the page or on the screen. HTML allows the user to link several related information already stored in the computer or server that can be accessed from anywhere around the world. Features of HTML. HTML is a markup language and is not a conventional programming language. Some of the features of HTML are: HTML documents are simple text files. Web browsers act as HTML formatters. There is no need of compiling, as in the case of other programming languages. It is not a case-sensitive language. HTML documents can be viewed on any type of computer platform.
Tools required to create a web page. You require 3 tools to create and view an HTML document. These are:
Text editor. Text editor are programs that are used to create or compose HTML documents. Example: Notepad, WordPad. A web browser. A web browser is used to display and view the HTML documents. Example: Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, etc. A web server. Optional. These are required when you want to store the HTML document.
Do you know DHTML, Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language, and XML, Extensible Markup Language, are the other popular markup languages? MS Front Page and Adobe Dreamweaver are WYSI, WYG. What you see is what you get. Text editors. These editors provide a graphical interface which resembles how the page will be displayed in a web browser.
Terms in HTML. Every HTML document consists of tags and content for the body of the web page. A tag is an HTML command that controls the structure and appearance of the page or document that is created. Every tag has attributes or special properties. HTML tag. HTML tag determines the way the browser would display the text. The tags are always enclosed within a pair of angular brackets, that is, and the text is written in the tags. For example, title, head. HTML tags are of 2 types: container tags or non-empty tags. Empty tags.
Non-empty
Tags or container tags require an opening or on tags and closing or off tags. On tags are written within the angular brackets, and off tags are also written within the angular brackets, but using a slash before the command. For example, title, on tag, learning HTML, text, /title, off tag. Empty tags. Empty tags are those that do not require a closing tag. These tags are also written within angular brackets. For example, HR, BR. Attributes. Some tags have special attributes which offer many options for the text contained. Attributes are written within angular brackets, one after another, with a space between each of them. For example, font size 5, color red. Here, size and color are the attributes of the font tag. Values. Attributes can have values. Most of the attributes have defined values, which will be accepted only by that attribute. For example, font size 5. Here, 5 is the value of the size attribute of the font tag. Nesting tags. When you use tags within some other tags, then it is called nesting of tags. Care must be taken while using closing tags. They should correspond to the last unclosed opening tag A, B, C, /C, /B, /A. For example, head, title, learning HTML, /title, /head. Special symbols. HTML supports ASCII set of characters and some other characters too. 4 symbols are generally reserved in HTML. Greater than, less than, straight double quotes, ampersand. Structure of an HTML document. All HTML files should include at least the following 4 tags. HTML tag. This tag indicates that the document has been written in HTML. /HTML tag indicates the end of the HTML document. Title tag. This tag is used to give a title to the HTML document. /title tag is used to end title. Head tag. This is used to denote the heading of the web page. /head tag is used to end the head. Body tag. This contains the body of the web page. It is the area where most of the work is done. The contents between body and /body tags are displayed in the browser.
Remember, every HTML document has to adhere to this general format. Each HTML document can contain only one title. Do not use any colon or slashes in your titles.
Creating and saving HTML documents. HTML documents are also called web pages. Now you will learn how to create a new HTML document or a web page using a text editor such as Notepad. To create a new HTML document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open Notepad and type the following text as shown. Step 2. Click the Save As option in File menu. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the name of file followed by a suffix .html or .htm. For example, myfirst.html. Choose the folder in which it would be saved in Save In box. Step 4. Click the Save button. Viewing an HTML document. Once you have created a document, you can view it in any web browser. For example, MS Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, Mozilla, etc. To view HTML document web page, open your browser software, say
Mozilla Firefox,
and follow the given steps.
Step 1. Click the File menu, Open File option. The Open File dialog box appears. Step 2. Select the location and choose your HTML file and click the Open button. The HTML document opens in the browser. Note: if you do not see the menu bar on the browser window, right-click on the toolbar of the window and select the menu bar option from the list. Remember, if you do not save your HTML document with an extension .html or .htm, you cannot view your web page. Do you know? You can also view your HTML document by directly opening the .html or .htm file from the location where you have saved it.
You have finished the chapter.